Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Portland, or 13 miles north of Gallatin, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Westmoreland and Oak Road. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay.